Indian Ocean connects three continents Africa, Asia, Australia and two oceans Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean with each other. Today 90,000 vessels in the world's commercial fleet transport 9.5 billion tons per year through Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean enjoys a privileged location at the crossroad of global trade, connecting the major engines of the international economy in the North Atlantic and Asia Pacific, which means that he who controls the Indian Ocean controls the trade of major economies of the world. If the security of Indian Ocean region gets compromised, then the economic activities of near 50% of global trade will be stopped. Moreover, Indian Ocean is a battleground for some of the key sea lanes in the world like Malacca Strait, the Strait of Hormuz. Majority of crude oil is imported from Gulf countries. The route for this oil passes through Strait of Hormuz into the Arabian Sea, then into Indian Ocean. The main region of China trying to find out an alternative route through China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) because 70% of China's oil is transferred through Indian Ocean where Indian Navy has a strong presence. Large drainage basin of Indian Ocean is a home to some 2 billion people. This creates opportunities, especially given the high rate of growth around Indian Ocean rim, including India, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia, and the eastern and southern Africa. Indian Ocean is a home to many island countries like Mauritius, Maldives, Seychelles, Madagascar, whose entire economy is dependent on the marine ecosystem of water around them. The Indian Ocean has always a geopolitical significance to the world. There has been a belief that he who controls the Indian Ocean controls the world. So, geopolitical presence in the Indian Ocean region means a race of becoming superpower. Indian Ocean is the next battlefield for the great power of the world. Thank you.